In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove extra space in Squarespace. If you've noticed that one of your Squarespace sections looks taller than expected, or there seems to be too much empty space around your content, this is usually caused by a section setting rather than a problem with the content itself. The good news is that it's a very quick fix, and once you know where to look, you can adjust it in just a few moments. To begin, open the page in Squarespace where you're seeing the extra space and go into editing mode. From there, click on Edit Section. This will open the section settings panel where Squarespace gives you control over how that specific section is displayed. If a section feels oversized, this is one of the first places you should check because the layout settings here often affect the amount of vertical space you see on the page. Once the section settings are open, look for the fill screen option and click it to turn it off. When fill screen is enabled, Squarespace stretches the section so that it takes up the full height of the screen. That can be useful for some designs, especially large banner sections or dramatic landing page layouts, but in many cases it creates more empty space than you want. Turning it off allows the section to shrink back down so it fits the content more naturally. After disabling fill screen, you can then adjust the spacing. At this point, the section should already look more compact, but you can fine-tune it further depending on how much room you want above and below your content. This helps you create a cleaner, more balanced layout without making the page feel cramped. Small spacing adjustments can make a big difference, especially if you're trying to improve readability or create a more polished visual flow from one section to the next. As you make these changes, it's a good idea to preview the page and see how the section looks in context with the rest of your site. Sometimes a section that seemed too large on its own will look just right once the spacing is adjusted, and sometimes you may want to make a few small refinements until everything feels consistent. That's all it takes to remove extra space in Squarespace. By opening the section settings, turning off fill screen, and adjusting the spacing, you can quickly make your page look tighter and more intentional.